All right, it's January 28th. We're standing behind the old roller mill. It's been turned into a general store and coffee house here in Bethania, North Carolina. We're going to hike the historic trails here. At least one of them anyway. We may do two. The one we're going to do today is called the Graveyard Trail. 0.7 miles, and I believe it goes up to Old Colonial Road that I want to see. So let's get started. It's winter time. I think it's going to snow tonight, so you're going to get the wintertime vegetation. It's just fine. Every season has its beauty, and so does, winter, spring, summer, fall. They all have a different look, and I kind of like the looks you get here in the winter. Yeah, Bethania Graveyard Hill Trail goes up to God's Acre. It's a graveyard up there. I just did the town center video for Bethania, and we walked through that graveyard. It's beautiful. Got the upland field loop trail. It's 0.25 from here. The Colonial Road bed is 0.35, and then we come back to here. It's all 0.7 total. Yeah, Bethania Spring Orchard and Orchard Trail trailhead. All up through here. You can hear the birds. I don't know if you can hear them. I can. A lot of broken down old trees in here. Kind of got. We're talking about each season has its looks, but this section through here is kind of eerie looking. Gray skies creeping along. Ooh. Cut the camera on and off as we go. I just wanted to give you a little feel for what we're starting out with. I don't know if you can see it or not through the trees, but that's where that fence is. That's God's Acre over there. Great, beautiful graveyard they got here in town. Like I said, I walked through it when I did the town center video. As we walk here, all these trees look young, so assuming this was a field at one time not too long ago. Maybe they logged it, not sure. There's that graveyard again up through there. There's a road that goes around it. So if you hike this trail and you get to this point, it says God's Acre Woods, Path to God's Acre. There it is right there. I recommend you do it. It's an old graveyard, 1700s, 1800s. All right. Upland field is this way. I guess upland field means they would planted their gardens in this area. I take that back. I think they said the upland field is where they would have chopped their wood to build with. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Comment below. When you get to this point, it says Upland Field Loop Trail, which I guess is just going to go around this field, and then to the Lindbach Trail, maybe. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I didn't see anything about that trail. You can see they got the bees out there. Got the boxes for them. I have some information here, but it's gone right now. And I saw a little sign they're doing something, making this a bee town or something to help the bees out, and that's good. Need those bees, need those bats too. I see some boxes over there. It might be, I'm just guessing, way off in the distance. You can't see them, but it might be bat boxes. We'll walk on around the field. So I don't know if they just come up here and took wood, or maybe this was farmed at one time. Okay, what I thought was bee boxes from across the field is another sign. Colonial Road. That's what I came for. Colonial Road to Bethania. Bethania, maybe, used by Cornwallis in 1781. Here it is. Where? Is this it? I guess. I think it's overgrown, but I think this is it going down through here. I think this is it. Wasn't what I was expecting. I guess it come down through here. Of course, trees is all grown. You can see that somebody built something here. Unless it's up this hill, the trail keeps going. Kind of odd if it is, because the sign was right there. Yeah, I don't think that's just leading back out to a different graveyard. Which one is this? All right, this may be, that probably goes back into town. This may be a part of the walking tour 2. There's a Stork Graveyard as well back here. I can't remember the name of it right now, but I guess that road, yeah, just came right up through here and down through there. That's where we were standing just a minute ago, down through there. So yeah, Cornwallis, all those people. Yeah, imagine a bunch of people through history. Go down through there. It's overgrown now. So I'm gonna go back out to the main trail, do a little bushwhacking here. I was hoping you'd be able to see maybe ruts and things in it, but yeah, that's a long time ago. At least they knew where it was at. Ooh. I go through these old briars. Yikes. Yikes, yikes. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there's where we cut into the old Colonial Trail. Got a briar that's wanting to hold on. Get off of me. There. Alright, let's see what this sign says real quick. There's the beehives. Short trail with a lot of signs. Alright. Graveyard Trail, Colonial Road, 300 feet. Back to the parking lot. Bethania, Leanbach, I know I'm saying that wrong. Colonial Road, and Spring Orchard, and the Orchard Trail head across the road. Alright, well, we know that that's the way back out behind the watermill. Let's take this one and come out, see where it comes out. A pile of rocks for some reason. Like a guardrail up here in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, air's blocked. Gotta go around. And my battery's going dead. Oh no! What will I do? How will I get out if my battery goes dead through the briar patch? Oh, that does hurt. Alright, not that way. Let's be smart about it, Frenchie. There we go. Alright, turn off when the battery goes dead. Check this old Hansel and Gretel house out. Little barn of some type. Yeah, if you don't hear from me when the battery goes dead, come look here. Alright, made it through that short little walk. Had to kind of hurry along because the battery's going dead. But that's not a bad little walk up through there. Get a little quick trail. They got some longer trails that I may walk if I can get my battery charged back up. One's right over there. I think it goes up into some fields and things too. But right now, got to get back to the old Rev, the RV. That's where my charger is. I left it sitting there. I wasn't paying attention. So if I'd had it in my pocket, I could have kept going. Well, go up here and to the stop sign and walk back through town. Hope you enjoyed that quick little hike through the graveyard trail. If you did, I appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.